Hi everyone, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. How are we all doing today? So I just want us to go straight to the program. But before then, please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. We are going to come live, hopefully. All right. I just want to quickly react on this video. I saw a post that Dr. Matanga made, and I felt like sharing it because this has been the side, stand of Biafrans, especially Matsanga. This organization called ICC, International Criminal Court, right? And Matanga said something about it. In case you don't know who Matanga is, he is the one here. Okay, this man in middle here. He's a very reasonable human being. All right, and many Biafrans love him. Africans, sensible Africans, no matter where you come from, they like him because he actually means good for everybody. Okay, he's one of the voice in Africa fight that is against, this neocolonialism, especially in Nigeria, especially in Niger, in South Africa, West Africa. His voice is not silent, despite all the threat and everything. He's one doing what most of African leaders supposed to be doing, challenging the status quo. You know what I mean by that? Britain and rest of them, France and rest of them, those who believe that Africa is a garden to them to go there and harvest. Anyway, like I said, make sure you like the video. Very, very important. Here is the post. All right. This post here, let me bring it up. Okay. This post we are seeing here is from African World Media TV. And the write-up you are seeing here is from Matanga himself. Remember, I told you that Matsanga and Biafrans have made stand on. They have actually known that ICC is not something that anybody should be proud of. ICC is International Court, International Criminal Court. Okay, that's what they called ICC in abbreviation. The man said something that Biafrans have been, have noticed or have been witnessing, which is covering evil in the name of being political correctness and what have you. They will know how to hide to support something that is against Black people. Let's read what Matanga, his own side of the story, because you understand why I said that Matanga has said something like that before. Breaking. If you doubted me, Dr. David Nyekorach, Matanga, about my silent diplomacy approach, get ready to be held accountable. I have long opposed the ICC. I want it out of Africa. He would want them to pack their bag and leave Africa. Because some of you may be like, but it's an international organization. You need to have it in Africa. Even if you do, then what is the impact of ICC? What is impact? ICC is there. African countries are representing the corrupt system of the whole universe. Only one corruption in Ghana. Only corruption in I don't want to mention Nigeria because that one is going higher. Only one corruption in Kenya. I mean, even a blind person can see it. That doesn't mean that in European countries or those civilized countries or the West that they don't have corrupt system. They do, but in a different way. They always, regain their senses. They buckle up each time they want to suck and make Africa dry. Because apart from Russia, I don't think there's any other country in this whole world that have natural resources. In fact, between Africa and Russia, I don't know who has more natural resources than, among each other. But you understand what I'm talking about? All those countries in Europe, They don't have anything to compare. They don't. So you having what it takes to rule yourself and organize yourself is a threat to their existence. So ICC is one of the organizations that Matanga is in, like he wishes that the fact that they leave Africa alone. He said, as of 22nd September 2025, Burkina Faso, Mali, and Niger, that's Niger, have followed my advice and begun the process of withdrawing from the International Criminal Court. Who would do that? This court, they are there. Biafrans are going through what they're going through. They are there. The man who is ruling Cameroon is there, doing everything against Ambassador. This court, they are there. They ignore all the case file that Biafrans have actually submitted to them. They don't pay attention to that. Never. Because what they do is to pretend that, we are International Criminal Court of Justice or Criminal Court, ICC, and we have to protect our master. You have to say it somehow to suit our master. That's exactly what's going on. And any decision they make, they will tell you that it is international, is about international organization, making African look stupid in something that they know that they are far better than. They are better off, but they have to use this kind of manipulation against everybody, because at the end of the day, you yourself will have nothing to represent, which is very, very bad. Very bad. So the write-up continued, because I'm trying to make sure that I expand it properly. Article 127 is clear. I have urged them to cooperate with the African court in Arusha instead, meaning that Matanga wants those countries that have, that have adopted or hearkened to his advice to just not only just ignore international criminal courts, but embrace African courts. I don't know how good is African courts, to be honest with you, because I also think that Nigeria have upper hand in African court. I'm just saying I don't know. I stand to be corrected because I don't know. I felt that all of them may be the same, but Matanga knows better than I do. It is a man who have seen it all, as long as African leaders or African countries are concerned. So he's vast in his awareness and the knowledge about Africa, and he's the one, doing everything to assist Biafrans in his own little way, and we appreciate it so much. He says, since 2005, I have called the ICC a biased institution that professional persecuted Africans. Why ignore the action of powerful outsiders? Okay. Remember what I told you, Matsanga have submitted a series of cases to these people. You can't hear any good thing from them. Very corrupt system, very, very corrupt. The agenda is to make sure that Westerners are the one, that kind of thing. Before you seek for independence or even persecution that we may be facing, they don't care. They mention one African leader that these guys have found guilty. One, I have not seen anyone. Maybe in the olden days, but currently no. They will sit there as an international organization. They will see everything, how they use Africans to enrich themselves. They will see it, even when Africans independently sued some of these bad people. This court or this institution will turn blind eyes as if they don't see anything. That's why I say that they're disproportional persecute Africans. Why ignoring the actions of the powerful outsiders? Anything is about outsider. When you hear outsider, it's not about this outsider is not like people from Cameroon and they listen to Cameroonians and they ignore Nigerian, or they listen to Kenya and ignore Ghana. No. As long as you are from Africa, you are talking to yourself. They will use this institution, this their quote unquote international criminal court, and rule something against you, without even you knowing. If you're smart, you will know, of course. Today, I thank my brothers in Burkina, Mali, Niger for listening. That's from Matanga. You have made me proud. One love, he says. You don't know how this our brother, this man here, want to see Africans succeed. Okay. I love his stand. I love his courageousness. I love his determination. He always stand on the side of the truth. This is the person. I saw some of them sharing a video. One of his posts. I'm talking about the fallback republic. Immediately I talked about it, they stopped sharing it. It's okay, because if you don't know, they will tell you because it's not doing anything, and because it's not doing anything. When they showed you what they're doing, if they show you what they're doing, what will you do? They actually believe that this man just wake up, begin to talk about. I'm talking about Dr. Matanga. Just wake up and start talking about. No, he stopped talking to PM for some time because of what? Maybe they're talking secretly, but he was very, very supportive, and he called PM in one of his program, which DOS was they said attacking for welcoming PM. Never. Hey, I remember that instance. I just remember that incident because when the whole thing was going on, they abandoned everything they're doing and start attacking this very man. Why? Because to them, why must you talk to a Ekberima? When Chuayaba and PM started, moved on, they criticized him. Today, they're celebrating that Chuayaba is also in detention. They're in prison. The US don't care. Their own is they will go all out to attack anything that they perceive as a threat or against their own source of income. Anyway, credit to Matanga. Thank you so much for what you are doing. Very, very important for Africans, not even Biafran alone here. Okay, for everybody, because the mess that all of us are in cannot just be made for one tribe. Okay, it will touch every angle. Anyway, my tell me what to think about it, because he did not hide his stand by calling out ICC. Go and check their job, what ICC have done. People are not clapping for Burkina Faso, Mali, but the one of Burkina Faso is very, very unique and special. And long may it continue. God bless all of you, and make sure you like the video. Tell me what to think about it. See you again. Bye-bye for now.